Hi guys, I love mermaids so much that I thought to make a mermaid pencil pouch today. For all of my pencils, even I have this topping. So let's get started. Let's keep this in and we are done. I wonder if nothing is missing. I'm forgetting something. I'll figure that at the last. So now I can see that Mama is using the hot glue gun. Be really careful with the hot glue gun, guys. I just told you that I was using the hot glue gun. Even Mama was using it and I touched a bit of it. It feels so hot. Just take something cold and take it to your fingertip or wherever the hot glue gun touches. I mean, it would be fine. Then you'll feel a bit, cool. So what do we have here? Oh, I get it. Some stickers. These beautiful stones, these beautiful stones, these beautiful stones. And we have one small wave and one big wave. And we are going to use them both. And also some beautiful shells, of course. In the sea you can see some sea shells. And also we are missing one more part. Mermaid tail, as we will pretend that the mermaid is actually jumping into the water. at the stars. And especially look at those flowers at the tail. I know the tail looks a bit interesting, but those rose and flowers looks really lovely. Actually, there are even magic stuff in there. Ta-da! And now you can also open it. I found a zip and about to get open. Gonna be lovely. Just wait a second, guys. I need to first open it and ta-da! It can slowly open. And look at that! I can't wait to fill my bag just now. Should I fill my bag, Mama? Dada, look at my bag. Look. Just look at it. How beautiful it is. I will love this forever and ever and ever. Bye-bye. I love you guys. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. And don't forget to also hit the bell token.